Chris from Canopy Crypto here. Just wanted to cover some of my top crypto picks for 2024. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I just am an investor. This is my hobby and hopefully my retirement, but we'll see. Anyway, yeah, I've got like 9 crypto tokens companies in my BitBuy account. It's a Canadian exchange service, very respected, has insurance against all assets. It's a very, very safe and leading crypto exchange in Canada, the leading crypto exchange in Canada, I believe. And so, yeah, I just wanted to show you what I'm holding and what you might want to consider for your investments. But again, it's not financial advice. So I'm a big fan of infrastructure and networks like Chainlink. Chainlink has had huge growth even over the last month. You'll see that it's up to almost $22 1 year. It's like at a, almost at a 1 year high, again, hovering around the low 20s. Lots of industry experts are bullish on Chainlink, and it is definitely a good buy in terms of infrastructure and networking solutions for the blockchain moving forward. And yeah, I mean, basically it involves Oracle networks and they connect to smart contracts, and it's basically takes real world data and connects it to the blockchain. So that's huge, and I'm really bullish on that. And as you can see, I've got most of my cash actually in Chainlink. Secondly, my second biggest play is Ethereum. It's been around for a while. Its strength is in the decentralized applications. I've built apps on Ethereum, and I have an NFT marketplace, Chromatica, for example, that it's fundraising and uses referrals, and it's very solid for building strong, safe, decentralized applications on top of. I also use Polygon, the Polygon network, but for that app. But and Polkadot, another one, very strong play. It's been down for a while, and I think this is a sleeping giant. Polkadot is an interesting play where, again, it's involves a bunch of side chains and connects it with the public data. And again, it's similar to Chainlink in some ways. It's an infrastructure play. Definitely think that there's a very strong management team on Polkadot, and lots of developers are building on it right now, which is always a good sign. So that's another thing to think about. Solana, very popular. You'll see lots of growth in Solana lately. Again, it's looking at the 1 month, it's definitely rising, but over a year, it's hit a high of $80. What is it? Or yeah, $90, $93. It's right at 83, and it's I think there's a lot of people that are very bullish on this over the next couple of months. And it's another really huge growth potential, I believe. And again, it's a blockchain that's got the fastest transaction speeds and the lowest costs. It used to be Polygon, used to be the Matic token on Polygon used to be the cheapest. But now I believe in terms of transactions per second, Solana is #1 in terms of speed and performance. So that is huge. If your transaction fees are expensive, people are going to steer away. I know Ethereum transaction fees are very high still, and they're getting lower. They're optimizing things, but still, Solana is extremely cheap and relative to even Polygon now. XRP, again, another big infrastructure play, the Ripple network. This could facilitate international transactions. It's the new Swift, was the replacement for the Swift network transactions across countries, and that's only going to be growing as the world adopts crypto. I know in Canada, the crypto adoption rate is between 10 and 20% of Canadians hold crypto now. And that is only going to get bigger. Visa is into crypto and working on a crypto play as well. And so all these big networks, financial systems are moving that way. So those are sort of the top five, all the way down to XRP, are all infrastructure and blockchains and international plays for growth of crypto. And I think that's really going to be where the safe bets are. These are a little more speculative as we move down. XLM is also similar to XRP, maybe a little bit more speculative. Stellar, it's volatile. It's a it can be a risky coin, but we've seen some highs and lows, and it's still, all things considered, very cheap. It's gone up to like 25 cents, but it's down to 16 cents. So in terms of growth potential, Stellar could have huge upside, but it's a high risk investment, and this is not financial advice. A gaming play engine. There's lots of gaming plays out there, but this is another engine coin that I'm interested in. And again, Polygon and Matic. I've actually sold some of my Polygon because it's now seems to be not the best bet in terms of low transaction fees and speeds anymore. But other people do like it, and also Cardano I've invested in the past and sold, but I still might get back into those. So just some thoughts on what I'm buying, but I like the network plays. I think gaming, there's a whole bunch of other gaming plays that I'm into, but I've only invested a few $100 in those versus thousands in these network plays. So if you want sort of more blue chip, safer investments, in my opinion, again, not advice, just my opinion, I think these are some that you might want to look at. The big network plays are to me, in terms of crypto safety, and that's relative, of course, to mutual funds or ETFs, but these are the growth potentials in the bear market that I see. So yeah, hope that helps. Tell me in the comments what you think. If I'm missing some big network plays, crypto opportunities, I'd love to hear them, and hope you enjoy.